George, today at the Georgetown Marriott, there was a capacity building workshop for the members of the Non-Communicable Diseases Commission. The commission was formed last year, and the patron of the commission is the President David Granger. Today at the opening ceremonies for this workshop, the chairman, Dr. SHAMDEO PERSAUD, said that non-communicable diseases are preventable and that there should be a push in Guyana to make sure that the spread of non-communicable diseases are reduced.
Many of these conditions, first of all, could be avoided. I think we need to say that loud and clear for everyone.
Dr. Ado Crow, the head representative for PERSAUD WHO, said that the workshop should seek to answer a number of questions.
What our role as commissioners needs to be, look at the relationship with all sectors, the relationship with civil society, with faith-based organizations, with all groupings within society. We need to know, as I said, the role of the commissioners. What exactly is expected of us?
Dr. Ado Crow noted that Guyana was the recipient of an international PERSAUD WHO award, and that Guyana is the only country in Latin America to have received such an award.
For all the ministries of health, for all the ministries of public health within Latin America and the Caribbean, the Ministry of Public Health Guyana was the only one awarded a prize by World Health Organization in Geneva.
Sir Trevor HASSELL, himself a doctor, is the president of the Healthy Caribbean Coalition, and he said that these are exciting times to be addressing the issue of non-communicable diseases.
You know, this is a particularly exciting time in our efforts to address this epidemic of chronic diseases. It's an exciting time because this year, in September, there will be the third high-level meeting at the United Nations General Assembly to discuss chronic diseases.
Senior Minister of Health, Minister VOLDA addressed the gathering this morning at the Marriott, and she said that the leadership for the commission, the leadership for this non-communicable disease commission, is coming directly from the president himself, who is the patron of this organization.
His Excellency remarked that Guyanese needed to prioritize their health and make lifetime-based interventions to act upon the reduction of the main modifiable risk factors for NCDs.
Minister Lawrence says that lives are at stake and that the commission needs to pay a lot of attention to the work they're doing. She said that the work should not be based solely in Region 4, but the work should spread out across Guyana in all the regions, and that there should be a special emphasis on data collection.
And must seek to have evidence-based data on what pertains in each of the regions. One size doesn't fit all. Sit with data.
George, the patron of the Non-Communicable Diseases Commission and the chairperson is the president himself, David Granger. Folks have come in from Barbados, Dr. HASSELL and his team, to be a part of this intensive workshop that took place today at the Georgetown Marriott. Back to you, George.
Thanks for watching Headline News. Leave a like or a comment below. And for updates on the latest news happening in Guyana, click the subscribe button.